SureCans are built in the USA out of the highest quality materials. They are made to exceed your expectations. SureCans are backed by a 3-year, no-hassle warranty. So in the off chance that you ever have an issue with your SureCan, don't live with it. Call in or simply submit a claim online and you'll be taken care of. We pride ourselves on 5-star customer service. SureCan is FM approved and meets OSHA and MSHA standards. It is EPA and CARB compliant and DOT certified. But the best part is its ease of use. With a flexible rotating spout and an easy-to-use thumb button, you are in complete control over the flow of fuel. SureCans dispense from the bottom, so no more tipping the can to pour and no more spilling.